वंशिका, आप सबकी होस्ट और आप देख रहे हैं एड्रेस ऑफ चॉइस। एड्रेस ऑफ चॉइस is a channel that provides you with detail-oriented overview of different properties in different cities. Till now, we have covered many properties in Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, and we are going to cover many more properties. You can tell us down in the comment section if you have any property or any place that you want us to cover.
So today I am at the Atmosphere, which is situated at GMLR Road at Mulund West. The Atmosphere is developed by 3 developers. जी हाँ, आप एकदम correct सुन रहे हैं. The Atmosphere has been collaborated by 3 developers, which are MICL, Vadhva, and Kachani. जिसमें से Vadhva owns 51% of the shares. So in this video, I am going to talk about the Atmosphere, which had 2 phases, phase 1 and phase 2. जिसमें से phase 1 has already been delivered. In this project, phase 2 will be our main highlight, and among which also the 2 towers which are still yet to be delivered. We are going to talk about it, and the name of those 2 towers are Azure and Solace. Also, let me tell you this: the Atmosphere is known by everybody who lives in Mulund West as this is the fastest deliverable project. It started in 2014 and was delivered in 2009. Not only this project provides you with various kind of amenities and a perfect connectivity. It is a prime location of the Mulund West. So if I speak about the connectivity and locality of this project is situated right on Goregaon Mulund Link, and also Nahol station is only 2 minutes walkable distance. Mulund station is 1.2 kilometers away. And if I have to speak about the formation and elevation of the Atmosphere has been built on 12 acres of freehold land parcel, among which 6 acres of land parcel has been used for phase 1 and 7.5 acres is dedicated towards phase 2. Phase 2 consists of 4 towers, again I am mentioning it, and the height of the tower or the elevation is ground plus 47 stories. So yes, this was all about the formation and structure of it. Now let's take a look at the amenities which this project has to provide to us. The Atmosphere provides you lavishing lifestyle as it gives you many amenities, which includes kids play area, open space, clubhouse, swimming pool. So right now I am standing at the open lawn. As you can see, it is very spacious and it has kids play area, toddlers area. You will also have your clubhouse, swimming pool, infinity pool and everything. So what are you waiting for? This is a perfect property and you should definitely take a look at this.
Now let's talk about the size, price and configuration which the Atmosphere has to provide to us. So it provides you with 2, 2.5 and 3 BHK. 2 BHK starts from the size of 572 carpet area and goes up to 800 carpet area. The starting price for same is 1.5 CR plus plus. 2.5 BHK starts from the size 753 carpet area and goes up to 800, and the price for same is 2.2 CR plus plus. Whereas 3 BHK starts from the size 854 carpet area and goes up to 1022 carpet area, and the starting price for same is 2.7 CR plus plus. Well, that was it from our side about this magnificent property, the Atmosphere, which is situated at the Mulund West. Let me tell you, this property brings you the expertise of not only one developer but of 3 developers. Yes, you got me right. So what are you waiting for? This property has it all, with the perfect location, with the perfect spacious home and with the perfect lavishing amenities. You can have it all over here. So what are you waiting for? Also, that was it from our side. If you still have any doubts, any queries, you can comment down on the section in the comment below, or you can call on the number which is given in the description box. I hope I was able to explain this property to you well. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, subscribe and comment.